Alright, Spitfire update. Fuel tank is not mounted. Seats are still loose. Could do that while I'm standing here waiting. I'm basically gonna have to come up with a way to make a pickup tube for this, because pickup tubes are on back order and tank kit did not come with one, which was kind of annoying. Other cool things, it moved outside on its own power. Got a new intake, new Weber carb for it, pace setter header, so all that stuff should be pretty well squared away. I got to finish up the exhaust. It kind of points into the rest of the exhaust system but isn't actually in it. So it runs. Don't run it for long because A, there's no belt on the water pump and there's no coolant in it. I'm going to get something to flush it out. I'm going to get something to build a pickup tube, and then I need a way to either delete the heater core for now or cap them off or loop the line or something just to run it for a bit. And after that's all done, I got a pickup tube. I can run the fuel tank back in where it should be, and then I should be at least able to drive it around the mill lot a little bit and go from there. So I'm going to show you some of the footage from doing all that. I don't have a good way to put it all together right now, so it's going to show bits and pieces of working on this over the past few days and go from there. Alright, battery's hooked up, fuel's hooked up. Let's hope for the best, maybe. Need to grab my key. That's promising. Oh, we're pouring fuel out of it again. Yay. Why does it keep doing that? Stop fucking doing that. So I was messing around here with Ryan about this carb, and unfortunately we had a little bit of an exciting moment. We had a backfire through the carb, and I think the carb's going to be a total loss. Luckily got it on video though. Oh no! The carburetor has caught fire!
Oh no!
What a tragedy! What happens if I kick it? Oh no! Zian Stromberg, what happened? I'm on fire!
Why is this shit entertaining?
What move? I was really hoping to hunt it. Aww. Oh, it's still on fire. Through the magic of television. Got a Weber, a header, and it runs. Play it a little bit, you can actually get it to. It runs and idles.
It runs a hell of a lot better than it did before.
Yeah, and it's not spraying fuel everywhere.
Yeah.
So, that's cool.
And all that shipping paint burning off that pace setter.
Yeah, that's cancerous.
Wouldn't even want to run it too much longer anyways.
Yeah,
New cooling system.
Right, new rotor's in. New cap. And it's literally this simple. Just clip it all back on. Coil wire. And then distributor advance because it fell out. Alright, so I engineered a pickup tube.
Engineered.
Pretty rough. Should work. Feed line, vent line. Need to hook the vent line. Hooked up the gas cap. All should be well in the world now. I just need to get some hose clamps for this. The factory ones don't work. Beautiful body lines. They help. So, need to figure out which one of these is fuel sender. There's 2 sets and only 2
Turn on
plugs.
your key and just touch the wires together to see which one moves the fuel gauge.
Yeah, that'd do. Ryan had a brilliant idea to turn the key on, watch the fuel gauge. Short those 2 together and we get a full tank. Pull them apart, we get empty. Put it to those 2, we get some sparks, so I'm going to tape those off. Ryan pointed out the fact that I had the sender ring in wrong. So, it's in there right now. Yeah, the other night I did that, it was like 12 o'clock, so. And I fought with it for a long time.
I wonder why.
Yeah. Yeah. Cool. But faces the other way now. Started to do rad flush because cooling system in the motor looks a little shitty. And the radiator sprung a leak, so I guess I'm gonna have to get a new one of them, new hoses, new clamps, and all that good stuff. Yeah, that's kind of annoying, but kind of expected. Fuel tank's basically in all the way. Fuel lines run. I need to get a few hose clamps for that stuff, and mount this in a way that's not smacking around, and come up a new way for one of them jaunts. Make sure the throttle's working right, and a lot of little fiddly shit. So yeah, till next time.